Very, very big news that's just been announced. Prime Minister Modi will be laying the foundation stone of the first ever joint venture aircraft production facility of Tata and Airbus in Vadodara, Gujarat. This is a production facility that will build C-295 military transport aircraft for the Indian Air Force as well as the Indian Coast Guard. The foundation stone for this production facility will be laid by Prime Minister Modi this Sunday in the city of Vadodara. That's October the 30th. The C-295 aircraft, 56 of these have been ordered by the Indian Air Force. 40 of those aircraft will be built, and it's a great source of pride for Indian industry that 40 of those aircraft will be built by Tata and Airbus at this new production facility that will come up in Vadodara, Gujarat, that is going to be inaugurated by the Prime Minister on Sunday. The aircraft will be part of the Indian Air Force's high-tempo logistics fleet. These are highly capable aircraft that the Indian Air Force has taken a long time to decide on, and these aircraft will be manufactured in India. They will also be exported to other countries. And this is also a big story because this is huge for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Hundreds of Indian companies will provide the assemblies, the sub-assemblies and parts that will go into the manufacturing of this European aircraft for the first time in India. Gaurav Sawant is with me live. Momentous, milestone for Indian industry. Gaurav, you and I both know how long the Indian Air Force has been in the global market looking for light transport aircraft that are crucial to access, reach and logistical missions. This aircraft will be manufactured, it's such a great source of pride, by a private sector company in collaboration with Airbus in Gujarat, in Vadodara. And it's the foundation stone is going to be laid this Sunday. Production will start in a few years from now. Tell us why this is important, Gaurav.
Shiv, this is truly a milestone. 56 of these aircraft for the Indian Air Force as a replacement of the aging Avro 748 fleet. So the Avros, with their Rolls-Royce engines, old British aircraft, Indian Air Force desperately looking for newer aircraft that can carry up to 50 to 70 troops. So 50 paratroopers, 70 normal soldiers, infantry soldiers, for lifting between 5 and 10 tons of load. Also to be capable of taking off from fit runways, semi-firm runways and land in these areas. So very versatile aircraft. The fact they'll be manufactured in India, and not only 56 of these. So 16 come to India in flyaway condition, 40 to be manufactured in India. And then once Indian Air Force requirements are met for 56, it's not as if the plant will shut down. The plant will remain to service these aircraft, and of course also extremely important to export these aircraft to other countries that may need them. And it's not just the Indian Air Force ship, even the Coast Guard is looking at these extremely versatile transport aircraft that are desperately required by the Indian Air Force. The fact that they'll be manufactured in India is the big story. Manufacture for India and of course export to other countries.
Huge milestone for Indian private industry. Remember, defense production has been dominated by state-owned PSUs like HAL and others. For the first time, a private sector company will be building aircraft for the military right here in India. Cannot exaggerate what a big deal this is. This Sunday, the Prime Minister will be laying the foundation stone for that factory in Vadodara, Gujarat. Gaurav, thanks very much for that. We, of course, will get you live coverage of the foundation laying ceremony on Sunday in Vadodara, Gujarat.